Good morning, and thank you all for joining us so early this morning, whether in person or virtually. We're excited to have you here with us to celebrate the opening of and blessing of the new Straub Medical Center Mililani Shopping Center Clinic. We would have loved to have you all join us in person, but of course we want to keep everyone safe and healthy by practicing appropriate social distancing and gathering guidelines. We hope you are able to come out and visit us soon. We are excited to open this new space to provide our specialty providers additional space and access to high quality care for Mililani and the surrounding communities. I'd first like to welcome Dr. Sandra Noon, Chief of Primary Care for Hawaii Pacific Health Medical Group, to share a little more about our clinic.
Thank you, Nicole. If anyone has seen this clinic before, Warren, Francis, and the team got a hold of it, you would truly understand how remarkable this transformation has been. And I mean, it was pink, Pepto-Bismol pink. And thankfully, it was updated and quickly done by our fantastic design and construction team. And I wanted to take a minute to just shout out to our teams and everyone else involved in making this happen and making this clinic so beautiful. So I truly appreciate all of you. In this clinic, we have 7,000 square feet divided between 2 floors. There are 9 exam rooms and 1 procedure room. There's dedicated telehealth space and pods with multiple workstations to allow our providers and their teams work and collaborate together to provide the care our patients need. And what's great for our patients is that this clinic will work seamlessly for our with our original Mililani clinic, now called Mililani Town Center. They will essentially feel like extensions of each other, which will make it easy for our patients to get the care they need. We'll even share the same phone number. At our 2 locations, we'll offer a wide range of specialty and primary care, including dermatology, obstetrics and gynecology, rheumatology, gastroenterology, endocrinology, and clinical lab services with more to come. And what we wanted to do is bring the fantastic specialty care of Hawaii Pacific Health to Mililani to serve our community and the Mililani patient ohana with in central Oahu, in north central Oahu. In the future, Hawaii Pacific Health will have a multi-specialty comprehensive clinic in Mililani, but for now, this will work to serve the immediate needs of the community and to help create a healthier Hawaii. I would now like to welcome Dr. Les Chun, the CEO of the Hawaii Pacific Health Medical Group. Les?
Thank you, Dr. Noon, and thank you everyone for coming here this morning to be here. What a transformation. Thank you to all of you for the great leadership and hard work to make this happen. From Warren and Francis and our construction team to our partners in real estate and construction, and then to the leadership here, Nicole, Dr. Noon, Jen, and Pat, who aren't around here, and then to Ray and Art for your leadership and your sponsorship for this great place. You know, when you look at what our patients want, they want excellent clinical care, and I know our providers will provide that, and they're also looking for access. And our Mililani clinic already is super busy. This allows it to decompress and to expand our services in expectation of our larger opening in the Mililani Town Center. So thank you again for the leadership, and I'm looking forward to seeing the great work you do to help our community and help push us forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chun. I'd now like to welcome Kahu Kekoa from Kamehameha Schools to bless and open our clinic.
Aloha kakahia kakako, aloha. A very good morning to all of us. I love what you just shared with us, that it's about transformation of a space, but that's what really our IHH is about, is transformation of our health. And the new things that we're trying to accomplish. And we are about health, but we're really about people, right? We're just trying to help people live their best lives. And so you didn't see it on the Zoom, but we all saw it. There was rain just a minute ago that came here in Mililani. And Mililani is known for its rain. but it's not, now it's stopped. And that's a beautiful blessing for us this morning. Now, I'm not sure if you guys heard it, but just a moment ago when we started this, there were some birds singing in the tree. All of these are good signs for us in Hawaii, right? A beautiful rain, beautiful music from our preachers around us. And this space happens to be a neat place for me because this is the place where I met my wife, was right here. But it was a skate rink at the time, Mililani skate rink. And so again, transformation is very true, right? And here we are today bringing this space to life. And so some of that rain that just fell is blessing this place called Mililani. I'm going to use some good fresh rainwater from about 25 years ago. And again, just bringing this space, because this is over 25 years old, this building, but we bring it back to life, and specifically for our clinic. I'm going to use some beautiful tea leaves, and these beautiful tea leaves, again, bring the goodness of Hawaii in our blessing. I'll use my Bible written in Hawaiian and English, and then I'm going to use our good mana that we have to represent this brand new clinic. So I'm going to start with a simple pulia prayer, and I'll do a little quick oli, and then I'm going to have some of you come and help me, and we'll actually untie this lei. All right? E pule kako, let's pray. E ko mako mako lani piha me ke aloha. Mahalo ya oi no ko launa puna mai me mako I ke ala. Oi ko mako haku, a me ko mako ola. Ke ho mai aku ne mako ya oi ke akua I o kalani. E launa puna mai me mako, I no ko mako no puana. Again, ke ako, we bring this clinic to life. May your aloha spirit be pono now and forevermore. Again, with all the aloha that we have here in Mililani. Again, it brings the goodness of not just health, but that is what we focus on. But it's a well-rounded individual. So may your aloha spirit be pono now and forevermore as we bring this clinic to life with much aloha. Amen. No kiakua pau. Amen. 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 E komo o ko I loko o kona ipuka me ka Mililani. A I loko ho I o kona kuhua. Me ka hallelu. E Mililani aku iaya. A e ho o mai kai aku ho I kona inoa. No ka mea. Ua mai kai o Yehova. Ua mauloa kona loko mai kai. A me kona oia I o. Hoi hanau na apa, aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Mahalo ke akua me ke aloha pomehana, e malama ho mai ka kua he malama, ke akua me aloha spirit di pono. Again, this entryway of health, ke akua me aloha spirit di pono, now and forevermore. Amen no ke akua pau, amen. 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 Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo.
Thank you all for joining us this morning. We'll now share with you a slideshow that we put together since you could not be able to join us in person. We hope you enjoy. Have a great day.
Good morning, and thank you all again for joining us virtually for the blessing of our new Mililani Shopping Center clinic. My name is This clinic will be used for our specialists. We currently have dermatology, rheumatology, OBGYN, endocrinology, and we have just added on gastroenterology. With this extra space, we are hoping to expand our specialists to provide care for the Mililani community as well as the surrounding areas. This here is the main hall that goes through the center of the clinic. On the left, we have our laboratory services. As you go down the hall, we'll have exam rooms on both sides with some workstations for our medical assistants in the center. So this is a close-up view of the workstations that will provide areas for our MAs to work, for our visiting specialists, as well as any other support staff that may be coming through our clinic here. Here is one of our workstation rooms. This will allow for our providers and our MAs to work as a team-based care system. They will be allowed to work closely and collaborate with each other. This is one of our exam rooms that we have here. All of them have been updated similar to this. We have a total of 10 exam rooms throughout this clinic. And this is another example of one of our exam rooms. Again, all have been updated similar to this. This is another one of our team-based workstations that again allow our providers and medical assistants to work closely with one another. We also have laboratory services here. They will be here Monday through Friday, 7:15 to 4:15 p.m. And this is what inside of our laboratory will look like. It'll be serviced by clinical labs, similar to our other Mililani location. And this is a backside view of the clinic. This is actually visible through the street view. Thank you all again for joining us here virtually in the excitement of opening and blessing our new Mililani Shopping Center clinic.